and I will give you a shout out. You will do the shout out. You know how to do the shout out? Just mention their name. You have to pronounce correctly, okay? Even it's Tagalog. Like for example, Pugad Baboy.
Bulak.
Hindi! Pugad Baboy. You say Pugad Baboy.
Pork Baboy.
Ay, very good! So guys, I've cooked a nilagang baboy, pork nilaga, vegetable lumpia, and that is for Chinito Amigo with a bit of rice. And this one is a fruity yogurt smoothie. So this is our lunch.
This is pork.
See, porky. So say hi, baby love.
Hi, I want to eat. I think I need this for it.
You want kuchara? Okay, I'll get kuchara. Laki ng bibig ko. Here, my dad.
Right, thank you.
Eat some rice too.
You mix the rice with this?
Hmm?
You mix the rice with this?
You can if you want. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to our typical lunch.
What is this?
It's Filipino. It's the same, but this is cabbage. You don't eat cabbage.
Oh, yes, you remind me.
So this is mango, peach, and banana with yogurt and a bit of milk and some ice. So this is our smoothie. So because now it's getting warmer, so a bit hot now. So now I can make him this smoothie. And next time halo. He likes halo. This one is the one you are ordering to Chino. So,
Tayo what ka na?
corn. Well now. You have ink. You don't like cabbage, so all the cabbage is for me.
It's not that I like everyone. It's like it has not so much taste.
But it's delicious, baby, and it's healthy. Can eat rice too. Normally in the Philippines, my mom is selling this too, but we dip in vinegar with sibuyas and a bit spicy dipping sauce. But it's good. You don't like spicy?
Not so much.
Amigo Chinito is not well. He has stomach upset. He likes nilaga, but he doesn't eat sinigang. Sinigang is sour.
This is the pork from the Central Market, right?
Mm.
Tell you what. It's soft.
I'll eat this. It's soft, no?
Everything. butter, the meat.
You see, this one is good for stomach, the cabbage. So you know that I always have stomach upset also. For me, not too many pork for me because
Really good, right?
no, I have here. Yes. Many
It's
pork.
very soft.
Very soft. Of course. What Filipino food you love to eat again? Caldereta, no?
Chicken with lemon.
It's not Filipino, I think. It's Chinese, bebra. Normally you put this banana, but we don't have the banana that I used to buy to Mercadillo.
They can taste bigger, they have much more things. This is very small town.
When are they going to open?
I don't know.
If you want more, you can get from here.
You have to see that the people is not so violent. There is not so many places selling that. In Mercadillo, I think there is only one guy selling that.
If you like more, you can get from here, okay? Eat the patatas, you need it. And it's so. I like it. Okay? Lumpiang gulay. They call that lumpiang gulay. Say lumpiang gulay.
Lumpiang gulay.
Ang galing ah.
May conejo. Pues bueno, ¿verdad?
How can you eat the rice without ano? Food?
With the soup is good.
Huh? Patatas. I like cabbage. So that is for our today, guys. So I hope you will subscribe on our channel, leave a comment, like, and share if you want. Ooh. Ooh. Hi guys, so we are going to eat the
Ribs.
what's the name?
Ribs in the oven.
Ribs in the oven.
But this time it's reheated. It's not fresh.
Yeah, he was cooked that yesterday. But what is the name of that? His recipe. He is really a good cook. He cooked better than me. He cooks better than me. And of course, I have rice as always. Rice. Rice is life. For him is patatas is life. And I made this. What is this? No, this is Oreo smoothie. Oreo smoothie. Vamos guys, let's eat. And I made
The taste of this is good.
Really?
Because of the sauce.
with rice is really good.
Because
I made
it's like
also
caramel.
this mango with hair. But why with hair? It's your hair. It's your hair. And then peach and banana for lalang. I just love it. Oh my goodness, this is very soft and it's like lechon, but I don't know, tastes very tasty and very masarap. You know masarap, right? Masarap is delicious. Say,
Delicious.
alright guys, to all those who were asking me for shout out, I will do that. Next time I will write them, you know, your names. Because I forgot. I have to write. So if you want a shout out, just say it or leave it a comment there and I will give you a shout out. You will do the shout out. You know how to do the shout out? Just mention their name. You have to pronounce correctly, okay? Even it's Tagalog. Like for example, Pugad Baboy.
Bulak.
Hindi! Pugad Baboy. You say Pugad Baboy.
Pork Baboy.
Ay, very good! So you will pronounce like that, you know, clearly. So we will do the shout out when I got their names. Very delicious.
This is your favorite, correct?
I'm doing our vlogs twice a week. So you will see us twice a week. But as long as you guys will still be there, staying, and also
So
watching.
we will make more interesting video.
Eh? Really? Wow! Good
Like a
boy.
people.
She's like, Pugad Baboy.
I want to drink this now.
It drink. That's for you. Shake it, baby love, like this one. But it's... Huh?